In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete accounts in QuickBooks Online. When you're cleaning up your books, you might have old accounts you don't use anymore and want to remove. In QuickBooks Online, what we commonly think of as deleting an account is actually making it inactive. This is intentional because QuickBooks wants to protect your existing data and reporting history. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to do that and what it really means for your books. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account and head to the main dashboard. At the top right corner of the screen, you'll see the gear icon. Go ahead and click that. This icon is where you access many of your settings and lists. From the menu that opens, look for the option labeled Chart of Accounts and select it. The Chart of Accounts is basically the master list of all the accounts in your company file: income, expenses, bank accounts, credit cards, and more. This is where you'll find the account you want to remove. Take a moment to scroll through the list or use the search bar or filters if you have a lot of accounts. Carefully locate the exact account you want to delete. It's important to make sure you've chosen the right one, especially if the account names are similar. Once you've found the account, look over to the right-hand side of that row. In the Action column, you'll see a small drop-down menu. Click on that drop-down. From the options that appear, choose Make Inactive. Again, this is QuickBooks' version of deleting. When you make an account inactive, it no longer appears in your active list, and you can't use it for new transactions. However, any past transactions tied to that account remain in your records and reports, which helps keep your financial history accurate. After you click Make Inactive, QuickBooks will show a confirmation message to make sure you really want to proceed. Read that message so you understand that the account will be hidden from your active chart of accounts going forward. If you're sure this is the account you want to remove, click Yes to confirm, and that's it. You've successfully deleted an account by making it inactive in QuickBooks Online. If you ever need to bring it back, you can return to the chart of accounts, include inactive accounts in your view, and reactivate it later.